what Chitta Vritti Nirodha means. And I'm going to try and do it justice, but I also want these to be real, authentic translations from me, not from a book. So it means the nature of the mind is to fluctuate, which is obvious by what Gustavo was saying. One day my mind says it's okay for me to be alone. The next day it says this is the worst experience ever and now I'm lonely. The mind will fluctuate. That's its nature. But I want to extend it, because earlier we were talking about our states of being, weren't we? And how those states of being, we have a belief, maybe subtly, that they should grow and we should feel better and better and better and better and better, and that's how this path goes. But it isn't how this path goes, because the nature of our states of being is also to fluctuate. So the nature of anything in consciousness is to fluctuate and change. So why would I identify, grab hold of, make a story out of anything that in its nature isn't stable,